What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your pal CT. The goat is here. Meh. What's up, guys? Get ready for this crazy meme joke of this guy right here. So, this is kind of new. So, get ready for this video. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. So, let's get started. Whoop, whoop. Alright, guys. You think I say this right here? My Instagram comment from this person, he dooking his pants? Absolutely yes. That is a cap on that. I think he was doing a try not to sneeze challenge. He got a Sharpie up his nose of that. He dooking his pants. Say that to him? Absolutely